Success doesn't come from luck, it comes from hard work, patience, and faith in Allah. This simple truth has the power to completely change the way we live. Many people believe that success is only for the lucky ones. They wait for miracles, thinking that one day their life will suddenly change. But the reality is very different. Success does not come to those who sit and wait. It comes to those who wake up every day, put in the effort, stay patient through difficulties, and trust Allah with the results. There are countless people who keep waiting for good luck. They think fortune will knock on their door without any effort. But life doesn't work like that. The people who shape their own destiny are those who work hard every single day. Imagine a student who hopes to pass exams with good grades without studying. That's only wishful thinking. On the other hand, a student who spends days and nights preparing, focusing, and giving their best will definitely see the fruits of their labor. Hard work is the foundation of every great achievement. Allah tells us in the Qur'an, and that man will only have what he strives for. This verse reminds us that results are tied to effort. If you want change, you have to put in the effort yourself. No one else can do it for you. Every successful entrepreneur, scientist, or athlete you see has a hidden story of years of struggle, failure, and consistent hard work. But success doesn't come from effort alone. Patience is just as important. Nothing worthwhile happens overnight. A seed does not become a tree the next morning. It needs to be planted, watered, and given months and years to grow. Only then does it provide shade and fruit. In the same way, your dreams also need time. If you expect instant results, you'll only face disappointment. That's why patience is the secret ingredient in the recipe for success. Alongside hard work and patience, the greatest strength is faith in Allah. You do your best, but the results are in His hands. Our Prophet Muhammad said, "If you trust Allah as He truly deserves, He will provide for you just as He provides for the birds. They leave their nests in the morning hungry and return in the evening full." This is the essence of tawakkul, true reliance on Allah. Work as if everything depends on you, but trust as if everything depends on Him. Look at the stories of people who changed the world. Thomas Edison failed thousands of times, but his patience and hard work gave the world the light bulb. Abraham Lincoln lost elections again and again, but his persistence and faith led him to become the President of the United States. In Islamic history, the leadership of Umar ibn al-Khattab and the business excellence of Khadijah are shining examples of determination, patience, and faith in Allah. In our own lives, the same principles apply. Work daily, even in small steps. Stay patient when things don't happen immediately. And keep your heart attached to Allah. These three, hard work, patience, and faith, create unstoppable success. Remember, success doesn't knock on your door by chance. It comes to those who wake up early, those who sacrifice their sleep to work, those who don't give up in tough times, and those who combine effort with prayer. If you want real success, decide today. Work harder than before. Develop patience in your heart. Trust Allah with all your plans. Whoever puts their trust in Allah never fails. Success doesn't come from luck. It comes from hard work, patience, and faith in Allah. Let this truth guide your life. Start today with effort, continue with patience, and end with trust in Allah. Then watch how success follows you wherever you go.